All right, so here's the next song in our The Pro Challenge. This is 3 chord songs, and this one is Twist and Shout. So in this video, I'm going to show you the chords, the strum pattern, and then at the end, we're going to play the song with the singing. So let me play you just a little sample of it. All right, so that's the strum pattern. Now, if you want to get more information or post a video to be part of this challenge, you can check the link below. Check out the ukelikethepros forum. Oh, yeah. All right, 3 simple chords. The strum pattern is a little tricky, but you can get it. First chord, C. Just a regular old C chord. F is your second chord. And nothing too fancy here. And your third chord is just a G7. All right, now the strum pattern where it gets a little tricky. Let me play it again for you slow, and then I'll show you exactly what I'm doing. All right, so it's a 2-measure strum pattern. You're gonna start on the C chord. It's gonna go down, down, up, then followed by down, up, up. And that's just the first measure. That G7 there at the end is on the and of 4. So if I did nice, so it'd be C, 1, that's a quarter note, 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now if you can get just that, the second measure is easy because it's all just G7. Okay, so do that with me and then I'll show you the second measure. Ready, and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Notice that second measure. You're going to hold that G7 chord for just a second, and then on the and of 1, it's going to be up, down, up, down, up, down, or another up. So that measure is and 2 and 3 and 4 and. There you go. Okay, so let's put the 2 measures together. Ready? And it's 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. All right, that's it. That's the whole song. It doesn't change at all. Now, the lyrics, okay, there's like a break, there's like a vocal pickup, okay, that happens, and then we go right into the progression. Let me just play a little sample of it for you, and then we'll dive into it. Well, shake it up, baby. Twist and shout. All right, so that's it. So, shall we do it? Let's go ahead and play it now. Sing along if you want. If not, just go ahead and strum along with me. 1, 2, 3, and. Well, shake it up, baby, now. Twist and shout. Come on, come on, come on, baby, now. Come on and work it on out. Ooh, work it on out. You know you look so good. You really got me going, just like I knew you would. Well, shake it up, baby, now. Twist and shout. Come on, come on, come on, baby, now. Come on and work it on out. Ooh, you twist, little girl. Wow, you twist so fine. Come on and twist a little closer. Just let her know that you're mine. Ooh. Haha, yeah, right there. We'll just stop it right there. Now, don't forget, record yourself doing that. Post it over at the forum. You can click that link below. I look forward to seeing your post. Good luck on the Pro Challenge.